Hi guys, just want to real quick show you an add-on that I just found. So if you are presenting something at the board and you want your students to still manipulate things, before you had to be in edit mode. Now if you go to add-ons and you click on full screen interactive Google Slides, you'll have to go and find it, and if you do it this way, watch. Go to manage extensions. I said add-on, it's actually an extension. And you search for full screen interactive Google Slides. You'll find it and you'll click install. Once you have it installed, now you can go back to the extension, click on full screen interactive Google Slides, and it is in full screen presentation mode, and your students can still drag and drop the items that you want. Pretty cool, huh? Once you need to get out of this, you can click escape and it's going to bring you back to your slideshow. Hope that helped.